So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your Xfinity box is basically showing you an orange light right here. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The main reason why this ends up happening is because your, Xfinity box is fully connected. It may have fully connected to your cable over there and your power adapter. But for some reason, it's having a hard time actually connecting to the Xfinity services. So the first thing to understand is that if you haven't actually fully, set up your box, you might have to go through and continuing to set up. So log into your Xfinity account and continue that setup process. Number two, you might want to double check your cable. So if you see the orange light, that means your power adapter that I have right there is plugged in, as you can see. But this black cable that I have coming out from the backside of my Xfinity box, that might be the problem. So go through, double check that particular cable wire that you have plugged in inside of this particular box, and then find where it's connected to, and also where you have it connected to right there. You also want to make sure that particular cable is fully clicked in there. So screw it in all the way. That is going to be the main way to go and fix this. Typically that means it's just having a connection problem. So that's where the connection is. So you just want to make sure that that's not the problem. Now, it can also be the case that Xfinity services are down in your area. You might just have to go through and go to downdetector.com or one of those websites and just make sure that Xfinity isn't actually down, because if it is, you're just going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing that problem. You can also go through and just power cycle your Xfinity box. So just go through, unplug your power adapter, just plug it out, give it like 10 to 15 seconds, plug it back in, and that might end up fixing the problem for you. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.